what's up guys, Coach H. Today we're gonna be doing muscle activation. It's a perfect way to get warmed up for your leg days. So let's get to it. All we need is a mini band. We're gonna set the mini band to our legs and we're gonna work 3 movements, okay? Our first movement, we're gonna draw an imaginary line to our toes. We're gonna bring our heel up to the line and we're gonna do a knee drive forward. Our second movement, we're gonna do a lateral side step, well not step, push up. We're just gonna drive our leg sideways, and our last movement is gonna be focused on the glute. It's gonna be the same. We're gonna drive our leg straight, drawing that line to my heel, and we're gonna do a kickback, okay? For this, really important, I wanna try and keep my upper body nice and stable. I don't wanna be rocking anywhere forward or back, so I really wanna engage my core, okay guys? Let's get started. We're gonna work 10 on each leg. We'll work first the right leg, and then we'll switch to the left. So let's go 10, making sure when I drive my knee, I'm creating a good 90-degree angle with my leg. 4, 5, engage your core. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect, next one, we're gonna go warm up our adductors. So we're gonna drive our leg sideways. 1, 2. I really wanna focus in controlling the movement. I don't want the band to control me. 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Backwards. Kick back. I should really feel it in my upper part of the glute. 10. Perfect. Switch legs. And there you go, guys. You got a perfect warm-up for your leg days, okay guys? Make sure you follow and subscribe for more content.